Hey, what's going on, guys? Uh, so you're here today looking for a way to build a crypto platform using WordPress or a Solana crypto platform using WordPress. Uh, well, I'm gonna tell you this right now: it ain't gonna be easy, and it was hard. It was hard for me to do it, but I finally figured out a way because, like, I've been using WordPress for what 14 years now, and I've developed a bunch of websites and apps and different little landing pages, and I learned a lot, and I actually learned how to actually get in the back end, start coding, and then coding, from there. But I still love using WordPress. It's like, just one of my bases. I just got so good where I can implement other things into the WordPress and use WordPress for this and use, even a different source for, another database, like connecting databases and stuff. But anyways, you're here because you were probably basically in my shoes probably about a year ago. I was like, yo, I've been into crypto, but I was like, yo, I want to build a site, like a community site that where users can trade and share knowledge about crypto and meme coins and find the best gems, ranking, and like have the site ranking and all that. And I was like, how can I do that? I need to search for some plugins. So I got looking for plugins, and I can only find the plugins that that have that show Bitcoin and basically all the coins from CoinGecko API or something, and they don't really do nothing. You can't really trade. Like, it's just not a whole lot of crypto plugins out there in general, especially for Solana. So I was like, man, I'm gonna have to freaking probably hire somebody to develop it. And I was like, you know what? I'm gonna develop it. So I went ahead and developed 3 awesome plugins that I call my Solana plugin suite. You're looking at it right now. This is the main page. It's the meme coin finder. These 3 plugins, they actually work together. There's 3 separate plugins. You install them, but they actually work together, and you can use them as by themselves as well. So it's pretty cool. I implemented them to work with each other. But what's cool about it is that users can add to watch lists. There's a community picks page. There is a coins detail page. There is the Signal Lab, which is one of the plugins. You got the Market Oracle, and then you got the Meme Coin Finder, which this is the Meme Coin Finder. It's basically the backbone. Like, it basically turns your whole site into a meme coin finder. All right, so you can type in your coin here, put an address in here, hit search. It's going to pull up the coin. You can check your watch list directly from this page. 6 hour, 1 hour, 5 minute trending. And the way that the AI, the algorithm is set into the plugins, it finds the best coins within a certain market cap range, so you can get good picks. Okay. And the longer you use these plugins on your site, they actually learn. So you will need an OpenAI API key to use the AI aspect in here, which is highly recommended. But you do need an OpenAI API key. So I had to install API keys and all that to get all this stuff to work, but it's all built into the plugins. So, but you get the real live prices, all that. Users can actually comment on the coins. They can react to the coins. And there's a community pick section or page and all these are set up with short codes. So when users start reacting, commenting negative, positive comments, the AI takes all this and is going to rank the coins. So users can actually search through these community picks and find hot gems, So let's go check out a coin here, and we'll go to the coins detail page. And this is awesome, guys, because it takes us to the coins detail page, which we have the deck screener. Where's this coin at? We have the deck screener. What price is this coin at? Let's see the map here. What's going on with the map? Here, let's actually go back because I don't know what's going on with this coin. The coin's weird. Let's go to the butt coin real quick. Butt coin. All right, let's check her out. There we go. We got some damn info here. So the deck screener is built right into it. And what makes it cool, guys, is users can actually trade directly. They don't have to leave your site. They can stay right on your site and actually trade the coin. They can connect their wallet right here through deck screener. Buy, sell. connect the wallet that can purchase the coin. On the coin's detail page, also, you add your coin to the watch list. You can share it, open up the bubble maps on the coins. You got to have the bubble maps. If you're trading meme coins, you got to have the bubble maps so you can see what's going on and all the clusters or whatnot. Love this feature. Got it right there. They can click right here and it directly opens the coin in their Phantom wallet. You can click right here, it takes you to the deck screener, and then the rug checker opens up the RugCheck modal so you can check the risk score and the information coming directly from RugCheck.xyz, which it's a free API. So implemented that inside of it. And then down further on the details page, you got the AI score and the AI analyst. And then the users can actually comment and react to the coin. And if you're logged in as an admin, you can add it as an admin pick, which I have it as QB pick because that's my brand and my website. All right. So what's cool, guys, is that where I told you that the 3 plugins are tied in. So right here, we're on the Coin Meme Finder, and then you got the Signal Lab link and you got the Market Oracle. So we'll take you over to the Signal Lab as soon as you click on that Signal Lab. And Signal Lab is a standalone page, so you can actually search directly from the Signal Lab page. And it's connected to the coin's detail page, so we can click and go into a deeper analysis and get some better data. All right. So right here, we are on the Signal Lab. So this looks great, guys, on mobile. It looks like an app on mobile. So it's very responsive, looks awesome, and it works with any WordPress theme. And yeah, so you got, and what's cool about it, guys, is the AI scores this. So it's giving us an 85 safety score on here with a hype and a momentum of 40. And then what is also else is cool is that the more coins that are scanned on directly on Signal Lab, the AI, see how it says it's a slow burner down here? Well, the AI predicts what this coin is going to do. See right here, we have the QB breakdown, QB call. And right here, it says, despite the strong fundamentals indicated by the safety score, the current bearish trend and low hype score suggests a likely sideways movement. So this is basically a prediction that the AI is doing. And if the AI is right, it's keeping track over here. So it has a track record. So the more and more coins you scan, the better this thing gets at making calls, if that makes sense. All right. That's the way the algorithm in the plugin is set up. All right. So, and you get all type of details over here. You get the holder analyst, if the creator has sold or not, which on this coin, the creator has sold. You get the top 10 holders, 13.6%. Dev ain't holding nothing in the main dev wallet anyway. Liquidity's locked. And then you got the pros, the cons, the 24-hour movement, 7-day movement. And then users can actually buy and sell on Deck Screener or open up their Phantom wallet from here. Yeah, guys, this is Signal Lab. Awesome, awesome, awesome. And then we'll go back. Let's go back to the coins detail page real quick. And we'll go over here to Market Oracle. Now, what Market Oracle is basically a alt season predictor. It tells you what's going on in the markets, if the markets is bearish, bullish. And right now, at the time of this video, the markets are dumping. Everything's down. Bitcoin's down like, I think 67,000, 66,000 or something right now. Yeah, it's just been a sorry time in crypto, but it will go back up. So we're in a full bear right now is what Market Oracle is telling us. And Bitcoin is down to 65. Gets all the information. Extreme fear, guys, is going on in the market right now. Alt season meter, we're nowhere near it, guys. Risk assessment is low because nobody's really buying anything. So what else is cool when you come to the Market Oracle page? The algorithm actually finds the best gems that it thinks you should buy, consider buying, or avoiding. So when you come over here, see how it says Bitcoin, it says avoid right now. I guess because it might be dumping a little bit. So right here, this let's go to Hood Rat, void, Greenland Shark. Let's go check this one out. It's trying to say consider buying it. So we'll go look at this coin, and then you go directly to the coin's detail page. So You know, it's about 4 or 5. I think it's about 6 pages, maybe. They all interlink with each other. So, guys, I'm actually giving access. If you're interested in using these on your platform, I am the developer of these plugins. I'm actually giving access to these plugins. I have a Fiverr gig that you can get access to these plugins. You can actually, I have a Fiverr gig. I'll leave a link in the description that will take you over to Fiverr, and you guys can actually access these through Fiverr. And over there on Fiverr, exclusively on Fiverr, I'm giving access to my QB Coders group, where you will actually get access to more plugins that I have developed for my platform. Okay, guys, this is just the meme finder part of my platform. So if I take you back over to my main platform, I'm going to show you guys how to build stuff like this with WordPress. Okay, guys, this is what we're doing over here. Check out qbchat.com. Guys, awesome platform over here that I have created. Awesome platform. But on Fiverr, you can access this QB Coders group, where I actually will, if you want mentorship, I will give you mentorship. I will help you build a platform like I have built. Check out qbchat.com right now. Links are all in the description. If you're interested in getting these plugins, you're not going to find them anywhere else on the web. If you're interested in getting the plugins that I have created, check the links in the description. All right, I'll see you guys there. And I hope this has helped you, just because, like I said, that you can keep searching the web. There's not a whole lot of plugins out there for crypto. And I'm over here building more plugins for crypto. Okay, guys, for WordPress, using WordPress now. All right, so you're going to have access to what you're looking for and what you need from QBChat platform, me, the dev. Check it out. If you guys are into memes, into cryptos, support QBChat. Buy my coin, QBCoin. I am the dev. I got 100 million coins locked for the users of the platform for 3 years, guys. So in 3 years, we'll unlock that wallet. This is a long-term project. I'm providing real value for my users on the platform. Check out the Fiverr gig. Check out the platform. I'll see you over there. Peace. And I hope this has helped you in your search and finding Solana crypto plugins for WordPress. Okay. Deuces.